Right, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet, aren't I? Hello, my name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure. So this is going to be where the studio actually fixes to the garage. So I thought, before I go too much further, it'd be easier if I get this wall prepared now. It'll save me a load of bother once the building's up and trying to work around that detail. Get this finished off and hopefully get the ground sheet down, because the exciting time's coming. We've got the deliveries come in this week of all the materials, and then the build will start for real. So that's what today's about. Get the painting sorted, get it finished off. That's that done. I tell you what, with these Harris poles, these long old poles, the reach up here means I can get through this in absolutely no time. I'm quite pleased with the colour. The difference, it's taken, there's like a yellow tint. That was only about 3 years ago that I painted. And it's so bright today and so warm. I think it'll be done in no time. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go and have a cup of tea, and then we'll come back and have a go with the second coat. Today, I'm going to mark out where I think the drainage is going to run and try to cut back to find the sewer pipe. This is going to be a bit of a, I don't know, I've never done this before either, so this is going to be fun. So what we've got is a load of gear that I've got to move out. I think I need to clear the space, and then we'll start doing some cutting. Right, that's not bad. Cleaned up a bit. Now I'm in an ideal place where I need to cut, actually. Ideal because this disc cutter is great and it cuts through concrete but it creates a load of dust. But I'm right next to this bugger, so I'm going to be able to run and dribble water right where I'm cutting and hopefully keep the dust down a heck of a lot. So I might just soak the area first of all, and I've got a house vent just down the way there. I may block that up as well, and then start trying to find this pipe. That's better. Can't hear a thing. Okay, so I'm going to want to cut. Jabbly jabbly. This is going to be a good test of the Rode Wireless Pros. It's a good test of my DIY abilities. I can't see a bloody thing now. So it does keep the dust down having the water running. However, it flicks it up. All that, look, you've got some on here. Yeah, but it flicks it up everywhere. I'm absolutely coated. Let's show you what we've got. Cut down here and now. Chisel's going down, but I can't tell if this block is moving. Yeah, look at that bad boy. This will get it moving, surely. I think I need some more wedges. Right, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet, aren't I? I'm gonna have to get the Kango out. Right, thing with it, come and have a look. It's cracking up a bit. Look at this. All of these, so the idea of getting it out in one slab is definitely not happening, but it looks like it's like a tectonic plate moving out and over the other one. Right, let's get the big chisels in there, see if we can't move it a chunk more. Oh, look at that, you beauty. That's the Kangoo. It's out, it's out, it's out. So now I can start doing the actual pipe. It's here. And there's a lot of it. Well, there we go. It's in, just in. Claire and Rosie gave a hand and shifted a load of stuff, and then next door, Don, he came over and helped me get a load of the bigger sheets in as well. I'm knackered, man. It's a lot of wood. So doing quite a bit today. Getting all of that in place, that's a major step forward. And getting through now, I've actually managed to find the pipe. Look, we're there. So I can finish off getting that clear tomorrow. Rather concerning, massive root that's running alongside as well. So I don't know where that's come from. There must have been some big old tree around a while back. And then the Celotex insulation that we've got to get that shifted out the way of Rosie's swing as well, so that she can carry on through. But look, empty. There is no more stuff left to bring in. Thank goodness for that. I'm knackered, man. Absolutely shattered. Anyway, pardon me, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to go back and grab myself a shower and crash. But hope you've enjoyed it so far. It's been tricky trying to dig out the concrete and get that as far as I have. It was hard work carrying all that wood in. Oh my word, that's a lot of timber, and that's not all of it yet. Still got the roof sheets and some other bits and bobs to come, insulation to come as well. So yeah, more happening. So if you want to see what happens next, don't forget, click on that subscribe button down there, and if you click the bell as well, you'll be notified the next time I release a video. But for now, thank you very much for watching. My name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure.